This is Allison. Between being a mom and a teacher, Allison doesn't get much downtime. So when she does get a moment to relax, she trusts the HoMedics Percussion Action Plus handheld massager. With dual pivoting heads, the Percussion Action Massage is perfect for relaxing her tight, tense muscles. The ergonomic handle makes it easy for Allison to use on all the tough-to-reach spots. A choice of 3 custom massage heads means Allison gets exactly what she needs. Her favorite part is the soothing heat. She can feel the stress and tension melt away. HoMedics, the #1 brand in massage. Allison trusts HoMedics to make her life easier and healthier, one innovative solution at a time.
In my practice, I work with a lot of people who complain of muscle tightness. It can feel really overwhelming and it can really disrupt activities. That's why I think massage guns are so important. They can increase blood flow, increase flexibility, and ultimately speed up recovery. My patients love the Fusion massage gun and they get a lot of benefit from it. We work with everyone from athletes to everyday people recovering from injuries, and the Fusion is versatile enough for a wide range of users. The Fusion is great for people with chronic pain because percussion therapy overrides pain signals going to the brain. I personally use the Fusion before and after my strength training routine to eliminate DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness that you get the day after strength training, and it's been a real game changer. The Fusion uses 3,300 percussions per minute to allow for that deep tissue treatment. The power and strength is comparable to the more expensive massage guns out there, and the less expensive massage guns just don't compare. They don't have the strength to reach that deep tissue layer, which my patients need for recovery. Now, the problem with some of the most expensive massage guns on the market right now is that they only have a few intensity settings. If you only have 3 levels, then there's a whole group of users out there that aren't getting the intensity that they need. The great thing about the Fusion is that there's 20 levels of intensity. So whether you're an at-home user just looking for a gentle treatment or an athlete looking for more of a deep tissue massage, there's really a level for any user. What I love about the Fusion is its versatility. It has 6 different attachments designed for specific muscle groups. The first one is the ball head, and this is the go-to attachment for the whole body. The fork head targets the traps and Achilles tendon, which is great for neck and heel relief. The wedge head is great for large muscles around the legs, chest, and back. The flat head targets deep inside longer muscles of the legs, arms, and back. The bullet head is designed to work and relax the smaller muscle groups, such as the shoulders. The quad fork head increases blood flow around sensitive areas or injuries. Some of the other massage guns I've used have just been way too loud, but with the Fusion's brushless motor, you can really use it anywhere. If you're dealing with muscle tightness and pain and are looking for a solution that you can use at home, I recommend the Fusion.